After last year's trip to Austria and Italy, we decided that this year we need to make a more kids-friendly vacation. We needed to rest from work and daily problems, so we decided to pack our camping gear and we drove 1,000 kilometers to La Manga.
Spanish people don't play with tickets. Neither do Austrian people. In case
And Dulcidia knows something about it.
German people also do not play with it. They are serious. And they really want you to pay.
And if you don't pay, what do they do, Dulcidia?
They might block your income tax return. That's what I heard from a friend of mine. We set camping. We have one tent and another tent here. Our car is there. We still need to organize. And I want Maria to go for the first time. Oh, it's dark here. I want Maria to go and check how's the water. How you feel? We go to the beach, Maria. You can complain, you can.
No, someone said lately that I complain too much. So
Who said lately
I'll
that?
give my thoughts to myself this time.
Who said that? Me? Huh?
If this person is watching our videos, maybe he will know.
He will know. So it's a he.
Oh man, how is it possible? It's 40 degrees. I'm sick.
It's not 40 degrees. It's like
30, I said.
30, yeah. Oh, look at this. You can try to play tennis here with no shadow at all. Run with no shadow. Oh, I can see the water in the end. How's the water?
Nice.
Nice, isn't it? Your first impressions about water, Maria? Go.
Hot.
Hot? Wholesome.
We're in La Manga. Another time camping. I guess it's quite okay. It's a nice place, very calm. Kids are playing. Dulcidia is playing. There are a few challenges of camping, especially with small kids. But one of them is that people just do not stop. And I don't know if it's everywhere like that. But here they don't really care about people next door.
So we came back to camping so the kids can rest and it will be better for us. We started to think that this was not the best idea for kids to sleep.
But the camping site is quite nice. It has everything. Like... Co tam, Lewcia?
Tak.
Co robisz? Chcesz grać?
Nie.
Nie? Idź grać z tatą.
Mama. Nie. Tak.
O! Spadło.
Mama.
A!
Nie.
I just disappointed my tired baby. Another episode of camping with family. I guess I like the being in the nature all the time. The camping site is very nice. It has very nice bathrooms, swimming pool, playground. Well, basically all the infrastructure for everyone. Feels like summer, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Feels like a vacation, I would say. I bought you Spanish air conditioning.
Natalia would like it.
We were needing a week to rest and to spend far from the computer and from work, and this was perfect. also this vacation made us to appreciate our time together with kids and how fast they are growing, and how we can see that they are trying to imitate us. Even now, Gaia, when she sees a camera, she tries to talk about her day because that's what Mama and Daddy do sometimes.
A minhas coisas estão na cama. Vais da cama. Estou a fazer a buraco. Estou a ir para a água e e ela está na praia e a minha mãe nessas boias.
Today we have a movie night.
I trained it to follow us.
Follow you?
We are enjoying our last day of vacations. Kids have no idea.
Oh man, it will be so hard tomorrow.
When they find out they will be 10 hours in the car? Yeah, we'll
Now
see.
that we are,
Leaving? Well, happens. Nice weather, nice beach, and we were able to rest for a week. And Maria fell in love with camping. She can't wait to go again for camping. We are next to the Lighthouse where Maria is going to record the video, because soon she will open her own channel. This is a reserve, I had no idea. You cannot catch.
You cannot catch fish?
Making fun of Spanish.
Yeah, Maria is speaking Spanish like from France, and there's this episode and she's really...
There is this episode of Friends, I think first season, when Ross still has the monkey. And yes, and the monkey changes the channel, not channel, the language to Spanish, and they have no idea what La telenovela is about. And then in the end, after the credits, they actually made a short of how it would be if Friends would have Spanish dubbing. And Ross enters the flat and he says, "Hola amigos!"
Hola, amigos.
For the life in Spain.
This was one of the most relaxing things we made this year after we moved, and now after we settled in another house, and a lot of things to look forward.